Hey peeps, so today I'm going to talk about a service that I'm providing that brings your device back to life, that taking an update and just won't come back on. So Samsung said that they will replace the device if you bring it to your nearest service center, but not everyone have the ability to do so. So this service will help you to get your device working and you won't lose your data. It's very high enough chance that you will gain your data during the whole process. So service starts tomorrow. The cost for service, not really sure as yet. I'm trying to get enough device on so I could make the price more reasonable. Just USB required.